Yes, good morning internet. Welcome back to this channel. Today is Sunday, 6:40 in the morning. I'm here at the middle of the road. Karon nga vlog is not a typical moto travel vlog, no, tourism vlog, but I would like to inform you that this vlog is all about for comparing the two microphone I've been used, the branded one that I use for today, no, mo ako ginagamit karon, the branded one, Boya BY-M1. Then the other last vlog is the generic one. So let's compare the two. Asa ang mas maayos ladawan, no, pairing the voice recording of your voice, no. Yes, of course. So let's see. And by the way, kani akong gigamit karon nga microphone Boya M1, no, napulit na ko na siya sa Central Juan dito sa may Cagayan. Then sila pod ang top leading providing sa mga laptop, then accessories sa mga laptop, CCTV, router, and any other gadgets, no. Then na po sila drone. Then hopefully sa maybe November makapalit na ko og drone. Then syempre dito sa Central Juan, no. Then namoy pangutana, then mag-inquire mo, then ako'y description nga gibutang sa bus, no. So let's see na. So ato na ta and compare the audio recording of the branded one versus the generic one. So see ya. So let's see, let's witness the differentiate between the generic one and the branded one, and what wahagi lang mas maayos lang doon, no, comparing ba for the price. Yes, mas maayo ang generic one kay affordable na po siya compares this avenues for today. Branded one, it cost about 400 something. Now let's see. And karon ag-open ako kong visor, so I don't know what was the audio recording of this one. The visor of this one is open, and we're trying to close the visor. Yun, the visor is already closed. I don't know what was the audio recording of this, and I hope the voice was so clear and loud comparing the generic one like this. So we're going to Bukidnon na mga sir, Valencia. So that would be our Camiguin tour for this year, and hopefully next year probably makabalik ta, no. Then hopefully I'm sure makabalik ko nga nana ko yung drone, no, makapalit ko yung drone within this year. So possible makabalik ko sa Camiguin na natay drone shots. Row your boat gently down the stream, merrily life is So by the way, vlog tayo inform yun na wala pa kita yung mga vlogs karon, no, mga travel vlogs, stories vlogs, kay wala, tigong pa ko, in short, tigong pa ko para sa drone na ako, no, mapalit hopefully this coming November na ako'y drone na. And then yeah, let's see. This will be my first time na maka-drone ko, and pasalamatan akong wife for being the supportive one. Tabangan ko niya makapalit. Thank you, me. So that's for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and like and share. So that's all for today, and see you in my next vlog.